Hello YouTube. Today's video is about the part 2 of the free-to-air satellite with the M1 HD Plus receiver. I just made a video of that, or review. So here it goes. This is the box I'm talking about with the X2. This box is awesome, and I'm gonna be doing today a blind scan to this receiver to see the channels I'm receiving from my free-to-air satellite dish. Totally HD, high definition. You will see some of the videos some of the pictures I'm gonna be uploading, and you guys can see exactly what I'm talking about. So doing a blind scan, when you let me turn this box off so you can see exactly how it reboots. The box is sitting right here. It shows the time and shows the power is off. At the top of it is, you're gonna see a HD logo on it. So let's come here. I can show you exactly when this box is turned on. It's gonna say reboot or boot. See that? And there goes the X2 of the box. That's how it's gonna show on the box. I'm just giving you a blind scan. Here we go. So we're gonna go on the menu right away from here. This is how the box is gonna be. So it's has all the features on the satellite. If you look at that, it's giving the menus, and if you go back to that, it's gonna give you the settings and time, timer, language, AV setting, all this good stuff you're thinking about. The next one is gonna be information. So if you go on that, it's gonna give you the information of the X1, the X2, the US version, the M1-HD Plus. You will see that. And let's get out of there. It's going to tell you the channel, the user, and all the good stuff. And it's going to give you the next one is for the IPTV, which you can able to use your Wi-Fi hotspot and watch live television online. So the next one is going to be the YouTube, the weather, the Wi-Fi configuration that you do all your Wi-Fi network stuff. All right. And right there, you can see all the features there. You can able to do different things there, recording duration if you want to do your DVR, and you have external hard drive and all the good stuff. Updates using a USB dongle, USB flash drive, and here you're gonna see network and all the other stuff, and you can able to update this thing through the internet or network settings. You can see how you can go about it from here. And from here, you're gonna go on files, whatever you have, like attached, like a USB hard drive and all that stuff, so you can able to remotely play some of your videos and all other stuff, information you want to display on the screen. So today we're gonna go into the blind scan, how to get the channels from this receiver, the M1 HD Plus US edition. So this is how we're gonna go. I'm gonna show you how to just get some of the US channels, excluding some. You're gonna have a few of the international, but you have to select international. So it's gonna give you the dish information and all, set it up into a blind scan. You know, that means it's gonna scan everything. You know, it doesn't matter what it is, so you have to put on a blind scan instead of on transponder or satellite. So put it on blind scan. It's gonna do it for you. And today I'm gonna be using just the Galaxy 19. Okay, so if I'm going there, you can do the auto or you can do manual. So these are the bunch of satellites that are up there, stations you can able to scan, and you can able to find, depends to your location, or it depends to your azimuth, and you can able to do anything you want to do. Depends, especially your elevation. That would be a big factor. So if we go right now, I'm just looking about the looking on the big satellite that has a lot of the channels that remember, folks, I don't have an actuator on these ones. I don't have a motor that I can able to move this satellite. If I want, I could, but right now it's just stationary. So I aim the satellite on Galaxy 19, which is 97 degrees west. So it's latitude 97 degrees. Direction is west. So I aim the satellite on the west side so that I can able to get target this Galaxy 19, which has a lot of international, a lot of other stuff that are here, inspirational, you know, all kind of stuff all over the world. So let's do this one, and we're gonna select, put a check mark into it. See that one? So I'm gonna go into the scan. So I'm on the remote. You see on the search right there, it's gonna say blue, the blue one. So it depends what I want to do. Right now I can able to scan and say the scan mode is auto, or I can put it only FTA, free to air satellite, or I can say going to TV radios, which it can download all TV broadcast or TV radios, and so he's gonna say TV and radio. So he's gonna scan for pictures, and it's gonna scan for audio, satellite radios. So I just put it all, and here is the place where I can turn it to international scan, so I can able to get some channels all over the world. It depends where you are, so I can able to reach you guys, folks, my friends out there, and I can able to reach any part of the world that into the satellite, that broadcast in satellite from on space. So then I can just go into the scan right there and scan it. But what I'm gonna do right now, folks, I just want to go back and change this one to no, the international scan. Then let me say I can scan just for let's go just for the channels. Okay, let's go this and take the television and whatever. I can be able to say television. Okay, no radio or nothing. Okay, so let's go only FTA and auto, and let's go from there and take the international out, which is gonna do it anyway, some of them. And it just is gonna bring, when I'm done with this, I'm gonna do the international scan. I will check that I will do a check mark onto that one. Let's just scan for television right now, not the radios. So let's go into it. Well, as you see, it's gonna be scanning. One side is gonna be say television, the TV, and the other side is gonna say the radio. Right now, it's only concentrating into the television broadcast, no radio broadcast, satellite radio. So you can hear some channels. It's more of about on radio. You can hear the broadcast, and they have the FM stations there, so you can see all these other channels is downloading currently. You know, some of them English, few of them, not too much. We have quite a bit of the English versions of this satellite thing, and we have quite a lot of international different bilingual languages here, which from different countries I don't understand. So it's just about doing this scan. I can able to make my favorite channel or favorites, then I can able to scan and just save the channels I wanted for my preference. But I can discard some of the other ones I don't care about. Okay? Let's pay attention and just see we're almost at 89% of the scan. And it's kind of cloudy out there. Remember, it's winter here, my location. So now I can able to save this channel by pushing Okay, so I'm gonna discard that and see your channels I brought there is 106. Okay, total channels 106 channels. Free channels you can able to enjoy and learn about other countries in the world. Okay, even if you're not an English speaking person, you can learn about English, or if you are not another international speaking language, then you have the opportunity to learn. So now I can show you how to scan for international scan on blind scan, and we can go to TV and radio. Pay attention to this scan again. You'll see exactly what I'm talking about as I do the scan. Okay, pay attention on the right. You're going to start seeing the radios. Going to be downloading the FM radios, and you see that. So now it's bringing all those things. So blind scan is the best if you don't know what you're looking for. The blind scan will give you all the preference, will give you all the channels you don't know about, and you can able to add them or remove them or delete, whatever you want to do. So let's pay attention now into the channels we are bringing here. Well, I think my satellite is a little bit off. It needs to be a little bit tuned to the skew. I have to skew the LNB for me to have more good quality. You can see the quality there drops, but as soon as doing the signal strength, it's sitting at 83%. So the signal strength, if it's there, you can able to bring more channels on the air. So, and I have some thing that's blocking, some building that's blocking my location here, which I can able to utilize more channels if I'm on a clear path. Okay. So these are the channels are coming in, and as we keep going. Yeah. Before I took the camera, I decided to make the video, I did a scan. I was like 100 and something channels just on Galaxy 19 West, which you can see up there again on the Galaxy 19. You see the transponders. You can see the high and the H and the V. You see the thing now it's 27 out of 32. So look at the channels are increasing, folks. At first was just about within, how many was that? First you guys can, so you can rewind and whatever. So I can able to scan again on, I noticed that another channels here, if I decided to, this satellite I think is very close to the Galaxy 19. I'm getting some channels there. So if I check this one, so now I have AMC8, which is 139 degrees latitude west. I tried that yesterday. I see that I can find some channels there as well. So remember the channels, the total channels we just scanned, so we can able to see if, like I said, I was messing with my satellites yesterday. I think I kind of took it out of focus or out of tune, which it's cold. I don't even have time to set the thing well, and with all this snow and weather going on right now, it's hard for me to walk outside, and it's kind of a little bit higher, the location where it is. I have to climb, and I have snow on the roof. I don't want to mess around and fall and hurt myself. So I'm just leaving this satellite right now where it is, and I can able to do better fine tune probably by spring, you know, or I'm trying because I don't want to climb on a ladder, so I can just capsize and fall on that ladder. So this is what I have to show you. I've done this is a third scan. I saw yesterday on the AMC8. I don't know, before I started messing with the satellite a little bit, I might probably took it out of tune. But I want you guys to see all the channels you can have from free-to-air satellite. We have few HD. The receiver is HD, and the LNB is a HD, and you guys can see all the good stuff that is going to be this satellite is going to download. It's pretty fast anyway, you know, compared to the other one on my first video. The first that one is really powerful, but the thing is they make the receiver so powerful that in a sense it overheats. The processor is really fast for a little box, and the ventilation wasn't that great, so it was kind of overheating in a way that you can see the digital numbers right there on the receiver, the green lights underneath there, and it was kind of started having problems like the digits started cutting off. So this is a channel, because I messed with the satellites yesterday. I already got it. It was sitting there fine-tuned, but just for curiosity, I like to mess around with things because of the new receiver. I thought I'm gonna do some kind of little move the I, which is the LNB, so that I can able to get maybe better or more channels, which I got at first when I tuned it, and because I mess around, move the channel, the satellite dish a little bit, then I end up losing some signal. So maybe that's why I have end up having perfect other channels. The other channels are perfect. The other ones later they started scrambling, going in and out, and maybe the pictures are not fine-tuned. That was my fault, but these are all the channels you can get on one satellite, no moving at one position. So this is jwsolarusa, right from Minnesota. I hope this video makes sense to you guys. Subscribe, like, and share, and thanks for subscribing. Love you guys all. Take care. Bye. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share.